Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, Beverage Director at Taste Catering, back with 1 Minute Cocktails. This month I'm focusing on holiday flavors, this week specifically on caramel. I'm going to show you how to make an original cocktail called a Scotch Caramel, which requires a little bit of Glenfiddich 12. This has a chocolatey note that I'm emphasizing in this drink, a little bit of chocolate liqueur, chocolate bitters, if you have it, is a nice touch, but it's not required, and caramel liqueur. I'm going to show you how to make caramel liqueur. This on its own is a great gift if you just want to make it and give it to someone. It goes great in lots of other things. Specifically, I would advise trying it in your hot chocolate. To make caramel liqueur, first we need to put a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and a cup of sugar in a pan. Get it very hot. The sugar will start to melt, and as soon as it caramelizes into a golden brown color, you want to remove it from the heat and add a 1/4 cup of water. That's going to bubble and get angry at you, but don't worry, just keep stirring it to get it a little bit liquid. Leave it aside and let it cool. Now we want to add a 1/2 cup of vodka and stir that. The vodka and the caramel need to integrate completely. Once you've done that, you have caramel liqueur. So how do we make this drink? Well, it's easy to make in the glass. First, we're going to add ice, and then we'll need 1.5 ounces of Glenfiddich 12. You'll need 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur. In this case, I'm using this Brovo C2. Brovo is a great distillery, lady-made liquor, women-owned distillery up in Woodinville, Washington. And then you'll need 1/2 ounce of your caramel liqueur and 1 dash of chocolate bitters if you have it, not required. And then we're just going to stir this. And voila, the Scotch Caramel. Beautiful, smoky, chocolatey scent off the top of the drink. And that sip is a combination of this complex Scotch flavor and chocolate caramel. This is a great dessert-inspired drink that's not too sweet. It reminds me of those Joe's caramels, just really delicious. I hope you can get a chance to make some of this caramel liqueur. Please go to tastecatering.com where you can find our mistletoe box. It's a beautiful meal for a family of 4 that also buys a meal for a family in need. This will be available throughout the month of December. Also on Taste Catering, you can find the Taste Beverage Holiday Gift Store. I've put together some really cool packages that are great gifts for the holidays for your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Cheers, and I'll see you next week.